I'm a fucking fool. Niggas talking shit, do what you do. Walk up in this bitch, check out my shoes. Looking at you, you's a fucking fool. Crazy ass dude, crazy ass shoes. Got a fucking brother with a crazy ass dude. Walk up on that nigga, you a crazy ass fool. Walk out this bitch, crazy ass move. I'm feeling like a damn beast. You can see me, call it Major P. Smoke about 3. Green nigga, fuck with me. Get me, nigga. Got trees, nigga. Got these niggas. Running like some motherfucking fag ass niggas. In the bag, nigga. Roll the hash, nigga. Fuck around and look back, nigga, at another lane. Looking at a nigga like, damn, he switched lanes like a motherfucking plane. Who the fuck is that? Say that nigga Major P rolling in all black with the motherfucking lack. Say I always say the lack with what's that pussy niggas talk back. I pull up in the lack all black, never see it, never coming. Niggas say they drumming, choppers say they drumming. Other niggas running, looking through the motherfucking field. See that nigga pop his pill, pop that pill, pop that pill. Fuck with me, leave you up that hill. I fuck that shit, rough that shit. I snuck that shit out the fucking fence. Pussy ass nigga wanna talk that shit, I'ma walk that shit. Better walk that bitch down the damn street. Nigga, I'm a dog. Keep me off the leash. Been off the poach. Fuck with me. Call me Major P. Been from the street, straight from the east. 1-9. 1-9, hit you one time in your damn mind, leave you on the ground, fuck around and flatline. Any nigga coming, thinking like you wanna talk shit in this Hummer, be coming, bird ass nigga, fluttering, pussy ass nigga, you talking and I'ma get another nigga that go on and hit you up in your wig and leave you up in his bigs like fuck this shit. I'm steady drunk in the shit and then I choke on your chick and she like goddamn I wanna choke on the dick, yeah. Yeah. Oh shit. I do this shit, nigga.